In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Word to draft content fast. Start by opening your Word document. Click anywhere in the document to place your cursor and look to the margin. You should see the Copilot icon appear when you're on a line. If you don't see it, no problem. Open the Copilot chat pane instantly with Ctrl+I on Windows or Command+I on a Mac. The chat pane keeps you in the flow of writing, so you can ask for help without switching tools. Next, it's time to start a prompt. In the prompt box, type what you need in clear, direct language. For example, you might write, "Draft a meeting agenda for a project kickoff." You can guide Copilot even more by adding context like the audience, tone, length, or any must-have points. The clearer the request, the closer the draft will be to what you want. If you're not sure how to phrase your ask, open the Copilot prompt gallery for inspiration. You'll find ready-made ideas you can adapt, choose one that fits your task, and customize the wording to reflect your project, your voice, and your goals. Avoid including private or sensitive information in your prompt. Stick to general details you're comfortable sharing in your document. When your prompt is ready, press Enter or click the Send button. Copilot will generate content based on what you asked. You'll often see options like Keep It, Regenerate, or Discard. Keep It accepts the draft as is, so you can move forward. Regenerate asks Copilot to produce a fresh alternative, which is helpful if the structure or tone isn't quite right. Discard removes the suggestion so you can try a different approach. Take a moment to read the result carefully. Make sure names, dates, figures, and any domain-specific terms are correct, and refine the language if needed. If the draft is close but not perfect, add a quick follow-up in the same chat, such as make it more concise, use a friendly tone, or include 3 bullet-free sections with short paragraphs. Small adjustments like these help Copilot converge on exactly what you need. That's the entire workflow. Open Word and access Copilot. Start a prompt with clear instructions, or use the prompt gallery for ideas, then generate content and choose to keep, regenerate, or discard. With a few thoughtful prompts and quick reviews, you'll create polished drafts faster and stay focused on your message. Thanks for watching, and enjoy writing with Copilot in Word.